All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the built-in onboard microphones on the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus. So all the audio you guys and gals are going to hear for today's video is coming via the onboard audio for the SoundPEATS earbuds. That being said, I hope you guys and gals find this video helpful, and let's dive straight in. So today in this video, I'm going to test out the onboard microphones on the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus in two distinct audio scenarios. The first one is what you guys and gals are hearing right now, the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second one is going to be a simulated noisy or crowdy environment. This way you can get a good overall general idea of how the microphones will perform in either scenario that you put them in. Okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the testing. So far throughout this video, you guys and gals have been hearing the microphones in the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Now I have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my computer in the background, and I'm going to use that to simulate testing out the microphones in a noisy or crowdy environment. For reference, however, my computer is set to max volume, and my TV, which is what the computer is outputting on, is set to 18% volume, just so y'all know the reference numbers. Okay? So I'm going to push play now. I'm going to let the background noise go for a little bit. Then I'm going to talk at my natural volume, at my normal cadence. This way y'all get an idea of how the microphones perform. So let's go ahead and push play now. Okay, that should be good. So now I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my normal cadence. And this is an idea, or this should give you guys and gals an idea of how the microphones on the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus perform in a noisy or crowdy environment. Okay? Hopefully this sounds good. Hopefully the microphones are doing a good job at isolating my voice over the ambient or surrounding noises. I won't know until I watch the video back in post. Please let me know what you guys and gals think down below in the comments. Okay? So let's go ahead and stop the crowd noise now. Oop, push the wrong button. And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. Okay? Now, real quickly, I just want to do some housekeeping and then we'll get up out of here. So, recording the video here today, I am using the ultra wide 16 megapixel camera on my Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video is being recorded in 1080p with Bluetooth audio input. So all the audio you guys and gals are hearing is again coming in via the onboard microphones on the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus. Okay? Now, I also want to show y'all how I have everything set up because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. So I'm going to go ahead and insert some B-roll showing y'all exactly how I set up today's video right now. Okay? And as you can see, all I did was connect up the earbuds to my S10e. Then I went ahead and verified that the earbuds were connected. Okay? Then I went ahead and jumped into the Samsung Galaxy stock camera application. Okay? Then I went ahead and jumped into Video Pro mode. Now I was already in Video Pro mode because I had already shot a previous video in Pro mode. Then I went ahead and just switched the audio input to Bluetooth audio. Now it was already set to Bluetooth audio, but I just turned it off and turned it back on. This way y'all can get that verification and you see a little pop-up letting you know that all the audio is going to be coming through the connected Bluetooth microphones for your connected Bluetooth device. Then I just pushed record, spun the cameras around, and that's how I set up today's video. So as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day out there. I hope everyone is staying safe, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.